Well, hello once again, and welcome to the ASCENT podcast. My name is Brian, and I'll be your guide as we continue to work our way towards self excellence. Were you aware that 95% of the people actually have self limiting beliefs? And this is according to some research done by Tony Robbins, who's a renowned coach and also author. And that's what his information has found in his work over the years, that 95% actually have limiting beliefs about themselves and their capabilities. What's interesting about that is, a limiting belief is just your negative thoughts, um, ideas that may be holding you back personally that sometimes you might be aware of. Other times it could be happening subconsciously. And also, Gallup did a poll, and Gallup being one of the world's largest research companies, of 10,000 people. And in their surveys, they found that these are the top things that people have limiting beliefs around. Number one is that I'm not smart enough. Two, I'm not good enough. Three, I'm not capable enough. Four, I'm not worthy of success. And the one that really surprises me says, I am not deserving of love. The good news is there's something we can do about it. And that's what we want to talk about today. There are ways that we can kind of challenge those limiting beliefs, figure out what the root causes of some of those beliefs are, and start to replace them with more positive, more productive beliefs. And that's what our session is going to be about today. So stick around. Let's get into it.